If your timeline is not loading in Descript, yeah, that can completely stop your editing workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close and reopen Descript. Sometimes the timeline fails to load due to a temporary glitch. Next, check your internet connection because Descript loads project data from the cloud. Now, try closing the project and opening it again. Yeah, this can reload the timeline properly. Make sure you're using the latest version of Descript. Updates often fix loading bugs. Try clearing cache or temporary files. Corrupted data can stop the timeline from loading. If it still doesn't load, uninstall and reinstall Descript. Yeah, this can fix deeper issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most timeline loading issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.